September, got tired of feeling sorry for myself. Dragged myself out of bed, slayed the demons in my head, sent them back to hell. 'Cause the dark days are done, the battle's over, I won. And now I'm basking in the sun, because the dark days are done. And I knew girls that were cool, that rejected me in school, but now they're all having kids. And I'm the same fucking guy that you turned down in '09, but now my t-shirts fit. Now the dark days